Did you know your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra has a hidden Gallery Labs menu? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to unlock these experimental features using a simple built-in trick. Start by opening the Samsung Gallery app from your home screen or app drawer. This hidden menu is built into Samsung's Gallery app, so be sure you're using the default application that comes pre-installed on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Once the Gallery app opens, tap the menu icon with three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. A list of options will appear. From there, select Settings to access the Gallery settings page. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find About Gallery, then tap it. This section contains information about the Gallery app, including the version currently installed on your device. Now it's time to reveal the hidden feature. Find the version number near the top of the screen and tap it rapidly 7 to 10 times. Keep tapping at a steady pace without stopping. As you continue, you'll notice a countdown message indicating how many taps remain. After the final tap, a notification will appear saying Gallery Labs is enabled. This message confirms that the hidden developer menu has been successfully activated. Next, press the back button to return to the main gallery settings page. Scroll to the very bottom once again and you'll notice a brand new option called Gallery Labs that wasn't there before. Open Gallery Labs to explore Samsung's experimental gallery tools and advanced options. These features are designed for testing and development, so you may discover additional settings that aren't available in the standard gallery menu. Keep in mind that some options may vary depending on your One UI version, and certain features could be removed or changed in future software updates. You can browse through the available settings, test different options, and see what extra functionality Samsung has included behind the scenes. If anything doesn't work as expected, you can simply leave the settings unchanged or disable the feature later. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled the hidden Gallery Labs menu on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra and unlocked access to Samsung's experimental gallery features. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and check back for more Samsung tutorials.